Where do you go to the school? Tsikat schoolas chak gatsan for a girl. Tsikat schoolas chuk gatsan for a boy. What is the name of your school? Chanis skuluk nav kya chu? Or Chanis schoolas kya chu nav? What grade are you in? Tsikat classes chuk paran or tsikat classes chak paran. How do you travel to the school every day? Ts kitpert chuk dohoi school gatsan or ts kitpert chak dohoi school gatsan. What is your favorite subject? Chon manpasand subject kya cho? Who is your class teacher? Chon class teacher kush cho? Or chön class teacher kosach? Who is your headmaster? Chon headmaster kush cho? What time does your school finish? Chekar chhai school chutti gachan? What time do you eat lunch in the school? Chkar chok school lunch karan. Do you play any games at the school? Ch chuk school ka game gindan? What is your least favorite subject? Chekus subject chui sarvi khot kam pasand. What do you plan to be when you grow up? Chekya chuk badit banun yachan. Is your school a co-ed? Chechui school co-ed or Chunis schoolas man cha ladkat kori paran ikwate? Do you get a lot of homework every day? Chechui dohoi varia homework melan? Do you have a doctor in the school? Chunis schoolas man cha doctor? Who is your best friend? Chon sarvi khot karibi dost kush. How much daily allowance do you get? Chekuta chui dohuk kharch melan. How many kids are in your classroom? Chonis kalasas mans kutya shur ch. When are your annual holidays in the school? Chekar chai harvari chuti asan schoolas mans. How many marks did you get in the last annual examination? Pranus examus mans kutah number I se or kutah number I pranus examus mans. What time does your school start every day? Chon school kach baje chu shuru gatsan dohoi. Who is your favorite teacher? Chon pasandida master kush chu. Where did you go for school picnic this year? Yemevari kot ösiv toy school picnicus pet gumit. Does your school have a swimming pool? Chunis schoolas mans cha swimming pool?